Have you ever wanted to practice English every day, but you didn't know how to start? You try, you watch videos, you search for methods, but nothing really works the way you want, right? Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm super excited to help you speak English with more confidence, more power, and real progress. Because guess what? You don't need a teacher beside you. You don't need to travel to another country. You just need small daily steps. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Before we begin, please follow Calm Speak English and share this episode with your friends who are learning English too. Thank you. Welcome to Calm Speak English, the podcast where we grow together, slowly, clearly, and step by step. I will speak slowly, so you can listen carefully and repeat after me. Today, we are talking about something simple, but very powerful. How to practice English every single day, even if you are busy, shy, or far from an English-speaking country. Most people think they need to move to the UK or America to speak well, but that's not true. You don't need London, you don't need a native partner, you don't need hours and hours of study. What you need is consistency, small actions repeated every day. Let's start with an important technique called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to someone speaking English and you repeat immediately, like an echo. No translation, no stopping, just copy the rhythm and the sound. Practice section. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I want to speak English confidently. I listen to English every day. I'm improving little by little. Perfect. 5 daily tips. Here are 5 simple ways to practice English every day. Tip 1. Listen daily. Make English part of your day, like background music. Tip 2. Shadow what you hear. Repeat after audio or short videos. Tip 3. Think in English. Start with small thoughts like, I'm waking up, I'm hungry, I'm getting ready. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading with your voice trains your pronunciation and fluency. Tip 5. Use English in real life. Change your phone to English. Write a short diary. Record a message or join an online group. Small steps every day equals big results. Ending. So remember, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Start today. Start now. Thank you for listening. Follow Calm Speak English and share this episode to support other learners. See you next time.